Hi, I'm Dr. Paul, and I wanted to show you how I do my supplements. Basically, I'm on this journey with you with the supplements that I take. And as I analyze the blood, it's really important because my health is determinant on the lack of nutrients that I get from my diet. Even if I have a really fairly good diet, which I do compared to most people, the amount of supplements or the amount of nutrients that we get now compared to 100 years ago has severely depleted. So what happens is our body gets really malnourished, and it predisposes it to getting disease. And so what I want to do is measure before and after using blood tests, urine tests, and hair tests to see if things get better over time with the recommendations that I give my patients. And so this is me. I'm treating myself, I treat my family this way, and this is the way I treat all my patients. So if we take a look at the my supplement box, this is the label for the box, and you can see this dotted line here. You're going to fold it out, fold it in half, fold it over this dotted line here, and you're going to put it on the bottom side of the top lid of the vitamin box that I gave you. And these boxes each represent a box in the they mirror a box in the supplement box. Sorry for the repeat. So as you can see here, I already put all my supplements in here. Now these large boxes, I usually put ones that are either large pills or pills that I take a lot of. So chlorella or Metal X here. Down here, and I put down here, I'm going to take 3 at breakfast and 3 at dinner. Betaine HCl, I'm going to take 1 at each meal. And this is a meal supplement. It has things that digest food, and so you're not going to be taking it in between meals. You're going to take it with main meals and with snacks that have any protein in it as well. I put the dosages at breakfast, and then what I do is I just grab each pill. If I need it for breakfast, I'll grab 1 here for the Omega Avail Synergy. I also have Lorcidin or Monolaurin here. That I will take as well, and obviously they're going to be mixed up in this large box because the Omega Avail Synergy is large, and the Monolaurin I take 6 of. So I just know which one's Monolaurin, but if you need to, write down white caps. That's what it looks like. Fish oil is usually pretty obvious. The other things that I put as notes is powders. See, under other, I put, it normally goes here under your notes here, but my software couldn't couldn't type anything here, so I just put it up here. When you use your pen, you can just put it right here, what powders you're going to be taking. For example, powders or anything that's not in this box, which would mean like Emulsi D, Hypo Emulsi D, which is a drop. That's for vitamin D. And I put notes, anything that you need to know. For example, this tastes good on a hot day with ice, a C BioFizz. There's vitamin C. I put 1 teaspoon at breakfast and 1 teaspoon at dinner, and 4 to 8 ounces of water. So I put any notes that of like I said, of powders or drops that are not on inside this box. So basically that's how you do it. If you look at the instructions up here, don't forget, most important is to swallow the right doses of all supplements by the end of the day. So you have some flexibility, and if you forget, try to divide pills up to take most of the supplements at breakfast. Now that can be a lot, so if you end up having to forget a lot, just try to do as much as you can at breakfast, and you're done. But if you can, get in a routine of dividing it up throughout the day. I like taking mine at each meal if possible. And certain ones like the Betaine HCl right here, you have to take with each meal. If there's too many pills, break it down throughout the day. If you have difficulty swallowing it, open up the pills. You can highlight it in red, anything that you can open up. Now, basically, you can open up any capsule. Now, if you hate the taste, obviously you're not going to be doing that in the future, but you can get it down in water if you need to, in a tea form. And many things here I don't like the taste of my stress B complex, so I don't open that up, but I can swallow okay, so I don't have to open it up. But if you're the one that have a hard time swallowing, then you know, either we need to get you a powder version or just open up the capsule. The last thing here, if you want to change the time of the day, please let me know. Put largest pills in, you know, just follow the instructions on this page here and you'll see how to do it. And it becomes very easy to do the supplement program, because then you'll have a systemized, organized way. Thanks to one of my patients, Linda, that helped me with this. She did it on her own and she gave me some great ideas, and my daughter made this whole chart up. And if you have any better ideas that work for you, please let me know, because I'm always looking for better, more efficient ways of doing the supplements. And remember, your health is not determined based on how you feel. And does it really matter the name of the disease if you're healthy? Welcome to the journey of getting healthy. Whether you feel great or not, I use it by the testing. Be consistent, be faithful, and over time you're investing into your body so that in the future your health account is going to be nice and rich. Doesn't matter if you own a house if you're unhealthy, or if you go bankrupt because of a health issue. Doesn't matter if you keep getting new cars or new material things when your health is down the tube. Really doesn't matter if you get cancer. You know, things kind of get into the right priority when you develop things like cancer. You're welcome to look at all the case studies on my blog online. We've seen things from cancer to autoimmune disease with